Can you sell me this car? Don't worry, I'll not ask you to sell this car or market this car. So, these are the questions many people have the confusion. What is marketing, selling, sales, marketing? All these questions, all these confusion you have heard before. So welcome to the series Marketing Chatters powered by Inbox Zero, where we will be discussing various aspects of marketing, branding, advertising and sales if it is related to it. So today, for starters, we will be discussing why is marketing important after all, and if businesses neglect marketing, what can be the consequences of it. Today, we live in a world overcrowded with options. With every scroll, with every swipe, every second, your customer is bombarded with so many options. So, in this chaos, in this distraction, you want your product, your silent product, to speak for itself. It won't, right? The biggest lie businesses tell themselves or believe in is, even if after my product is ready, I'll go to the customers, I'll find out the market. But there lies the whole problem. Marketing doesn't start after your product is ready. It is right before, much before you plan, you strategize. You go to the market to find out the correct product market fit. Where is the demand? Even the greatest product without a proper strategy have failed. Don't believe me? Let's take a look back. Let's look at the history of businesses' failures. In fact, when I name them, most of them were brilliant products when they were launched. But what was the major mistake? They sidelined marketing. Tata Nano, an engineering marvel, designed to empower families, democratize car ownership. But how was it marketed? As the cheapest car in the world. Not smart, not efficient, not fuel efficient, but cheap. That word alone killed aspiration, and with it, the product. Chevrolet, as you all remember, entered India with world-class engineering but very confused positioning. Was it premium? Was it affordable? Was it just another foreign name? The customer never knew and they never cared. These are not marketing failures. These are businesses' failures caused due to neglect of marketing.
But the best example of all, and one of the greatest jobs of marketing in the universe has ever seen, is Nike. Remember, Nike sells a commodity. They sell shoes. And yet, when you think of Nike, you feel something different than a shoe company. In their ads, as you know, they don't ever talk about the products. They don't ever tell you about their air soles and why they're better than Reebok's air soles. What does Nike do in their advertising? They honor great athletes and they honor great athletics. That's who they are. That's what they are about.
So let's stop sugarcoating it. Marketing is not a nice to have thing. It is not a post. It is not just lead generation. It is not the leads which will convert into sales. It is survival. It is basic survival. And when we talk about attracting talent, hiring new employees, because today people, they don't just want a paycheck. They want purpose. So are you still wondering why sales are not happening? Why leads are not converting? Why things are not scaling? I think you should better ask yourself, what story are you telling? What message are you delivering? What people are inferring of you? Where is the marketing? At the heart or at the core or just around the corner? So you're tuned in till now, right? So you like this series, please press the like button, subscribe. And for more such insights, we will be coming up with new interesting topics on marketing.